Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to sort Google Drive by size. But before getting started, let's have a little information about Google Drive. Google Drive is a popular cloud-based storage service that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files with ease. So, to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, what you need to do is go to the Google Drive application. On the search bar, enter the folder name that you want to search. Then, click on the folder. Then, this interface will be shown on your device. Now, tap on the name on the left top corner. Then, tap on Sort By and you can see the size of the folder is 2 megabytes. So, this is how you can easily sort Google Drive by size. If you found this tutorial easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.